Makeup gives me the power to transform from the regular me into a beautiful piece of art. My face is my canvas, and I become my own expression. For this challenge in the NYX Face Awards, makeup gave me the power to slay in an artful kind of way. This is my interpretation on the power of makeup.
Pulling focus, I'll grab you for a minute. Take me at face value, you know I live within it. Blended so long, I'm breaking you out, escaping this roundabout. Check out that list and start the show. I'll savor this in stereo. Don't wanna miss the most high. We blasting through these skylights. Check out that list and stop the show. I'll savor this in stereo. Tomorrow brings a new fight, beaming up there like skylight.
Hey y'all, it's Makeup by Carrie. For those of you who don't know, this is the first challenge. I still can't believe I made it to the top 30 in the NYX Face Awards. That's so freaking awesome. So yeah, I don't want to chitter chat. I'm just gonna jump right into the tutorial. To prime, I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Total Control Primer Base. Moving into the brows, I'm going to be using the number 18 brush, which is really dope because it has a spoolie on one end and an angled brush on the other. And what I'm filling it in with is the NYX Professional Makeup Eyebrow Gel in the color Espresso. So I'm going to be using their HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the color 10 for my eyeshadow base. Now I'm going to be using the Ultimate Shadow Palette in Warm Neutrals and just using that reddish color, and then I'm smacking another red shadow on top, and then I'm just going to blend it all out. Now also from NYX Professional Makeup, I'm going to be using their single eyeshadow in the color Butterscotch Caramel for my yellow. And I'm going to blend that out as well. It is a lot of blending with this look and this eyeshadow look. I'm going to use their Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. That's going to serve as my black base for the shadow. So I'm also going to be using their single eyeshadow again, and this one is in the color Strip de Nude and it's the black color. So I'm going to get it on there and blend it out to save my life. So I'm going to pop the gold color onto this yellow shadow from the Born to Glow palette because you know I love it, girl. Now I'm going to be using the Total Control Drop Foundation, and the color I use is 17.5. And with the foundation, I also cleaned up my brows and kind of fixed the linings for the shadow as well. So for the next step, I'm going to be highlighting, and I'm just using a color that kind of matched my complexion. I'm going to blend that out really good. So I'm using one of the thickest, darkest foundations I have for my contour because I want it to be strong. And then I use the 23 brush from NYX Professional Makeup because it's dense and it can get these thick formulas really good blend out. I am setting my face with a lighter setting powder. And then for my entire face, I took a powder that's more of my skin tone to kind of let everything set and look together. Now I'm adding NYX Professional Makeup Matte Bronzer in the color Deep Tan because it kind of gives that nice, pretty brown color, a nice little warm color. Now I started to add some red shadows to my contoured area so I can get that nice little red effect that I have going on. Back into the Born to Glow palette, I piled this highlighter all on my cheekbones so I can be as gold as possible. And then I just applied a little bit of purple highlight to the red area. And then I took my NYX Professional Makeup number 8 brush, the Dewy Finish setting spray, dipped it in black glitter, and piled that on. And then to carve it out, I took a back of some makeup and just kind of scraped it off. And since I was born to glow, I'm using the palette and just getting some glow all over my face. I'm using a black pencil on my waterline, and then under my waterline, I'm going to be applying some black shadow, red, and then yellow on the inner corner. Gonna be using their Epic ink liner to draw my false lash effect. So the item on top clearly says NYX Liquid Suede, and I put lipstick on my eyelashes and then I realized, like, no. And then I went and picked up the double stack mascara. And for this application, you're gonna add the mascara, then you're gonna add the fibers, and then more mascara. Right now I'm adding some gold glitters to my inner corners along with some gold liner on my bottom lashes. I went ahead and added my falsies, and then I used this single pigment shadow from NYX and added it to the red areas to kind of give it a little bit of a pink tone. Okay, now it's time for lipstick. So I'm going to be using their Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick and the color Alien, that's the black one. And then the Duo Chromatic and the color Gypsy Dreams, that's going to go on top. So then I decided to add some highlight and bronzer to my neck, kind of give me a little dimension going on, and the look is complete.